Are you struggling with your baby hair? Are you losing your baby hair? Are you struggling how to grow your hair? I has been struggling with my baby hair. My hair was almost gone, damaged. I realized and I did a simple method of making a hair grow oil. When I did it within 3 months by applying it consistently, now I regained my baby hair back. Show you how I did my hair grow oil. Stay with me and I will show you how I did it. Come with me. What we need is that we need a handful of peppermint, 2 bunch of aloe vera, coconut oil, castor oil, and olive oil. So first of all, you need to clean the aloe vera. You cut it like this. You cut it, then you cut the side to remove this exactly like that, and then you can divide it into 2 anyhow you want it, but the easiest way is good if you cut them like that. So then, because it's already washed, first of all you need to wash it and remove all the dust or the dirt out of it. So we're going to cut it into cubes like that. So we're going to put it inside the aloe vera. Then we're going to place a bowl. We're going to place a bowl into the boiling water. So, and then we just take. We're going to take 2 spoons of coconut oil. Put it inside to melt it. And then we're going to add castor oil, also 2 spoons of castor oil. The bottle, don't look at the bottle because the bottle is almond almond oil, but it's a castor oil that I poured inside. So we melt. Make sure it melts because it's cold. So we melt it, and then we add 2 spoons of extra virgin olive oil. Because we don't want to cook it, we don't want to overcook it, we just want to steam it so that all the vitamin remain inside. So then here is our mint, handful of mint, add it inside. it. Make sure you don't add any oil or any water. It's only oil. So, because in this way you can keep it for at least 1 month. So you don't have to be doing it every week. Then here we go. Put our aloe vera inside. When you put aloe vera inside, you make sure you take your time. So you put 10 minutes. You keep on stirring it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you switch it off. You put it, leave it on for another half an hour. So now I put time for half an hour. We're going to leave it in the water for another half an hour. Then we are done. So, that's smelling fantastic. So just leave it for half an hour, then we take it and we strain it. So see you. So as you can see, after 30 minutes, I took it out from the water and I pour it. Now I'm going to smash it very well so I can get everything out of it. So because the stick is not really I really want to, as you can see, you can only use that the liquid that you find out, you can use it, but because I want to get everything, I want to really to smash it and get everything out of it. I don't want to waste anything. So as you can see, I'm using a glass to smash it so I can get enough and we will get everything out of it, because that's what I need. Guys, it's really working, because the problem I was having was really terrible. And when I did this and I apply it, actually I did apply it every morning. I massage it on the forehead and also on my scalp. I always massage it 2 times a day. So now you can put it in a spray bottle or any bottle that is convenient for you, because you have to put it in a way. If you're going to use it as a leave-in condition, then you can put it any in the jar or something that is convenient. But I always put it because I use it in a different way, and it's really amazing. So you can also try it and see how it works. Actually, I was not expecting a fantastic result, but this is just amazing method, just simple. So as you can see, that is the gel, the new nutrient from the aloe vera underneath, and that is the oil. So you can use the oil as any treatment you want, and also you can also add any drops of essential oil just to preserve it. Yeah, it's really amazing. I would challenge you guys to try it and get back to us and let us know how you find it, because it's really it's fantastic. You know, I was also having a lot of dandruff. My scalp was full of dandruff. It itched a lot, but the moment I start massaging this at least twice a day, and I also spray water, it's just amazing. So that is it. Use it as a leave-in conditioner or just deep conditioner. So that is for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumb, comment, and share it. And I will see you in my next video. If you have any thought or opinion or any experience you want to share with us, kindly leave a comment down below, and I will really appreciate. So see you next time in my other video. Bye bye.